Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recharge TikTok coins using Gcash. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to navigate to your profile. So start by opening the TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon, usually a silhouette at the bottom right corner of the TikTok application. So you just have to make sure that you are logged into the correct account before proceeding. Now next is to go to the balance settings. So tap the 3 lines menu in the top right corner and then select settings and tap the privacy. Then just tap on the balance. So the balance page shows your current coin count and your earnings. So from there, you just have to choose the coin package. So tap the recharge button. A list of coin packages will appear. So you just have to select the package amount that you want to buy. So the price is based on the platform, which is the iOS or the Android. So just look for the packages with bonus coins. Next is to select Gcash as payment. So in the payment section, screen, usually powered by Google Play or Apple Store, you just have to choose Gcash, and you may need to link your Gcash account to your Google Play or Apple Play Store account first. And lastly is to authorize and complete. So this one is the final step, so you will be redirected to the Gcash login page. So you just have to log in and confirm the payment amount and authorize the deduction. So the coins should be credited to your TikTok account instantly after authorization. So you just have to check your balance from there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you recharge your TikTok coins using Gcash. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!